I'm Mike Gernhardt. I'm a NASA astronaut, and I'm the project manager of the Space Exploration Vehicle System that you see in front of you here. And these are basically our new rovers that will support both planetary exploration and near-Earth asteroid in-space exploration. And just to point out some of the features, on the front here you see all these great windows, looks almost like a helicopter. That allows us to do detailed observations from inside almost as well as we can do in a spacesuit. And you see this little helmet bubble. We can actually put our head in that bubble, and I can drive this rover up to within an inch or two of any rock that you want to see. And then the key thing about this, and we're showing in the back, is once you've determined that you want to sample that particular rock, you go around to the back of the vehicle, and the suits are hanging off the back of the rover. And so we open a hatch on the inside, and then we open the backpack of the suit, and then we step into the suit, and then we release these clamps that hold it to the vehicle, and you literally step off the vehicle and your boot's on the surface within 10 minutes. And that's really a game-changing technology compared to what we do on Space Station, where it takes us at least 6 hours just to get out of the space station. Okay, so we're inside the space exploration vehicle, and 2 astronauts will live in here for 2 to 4 weeks at a time. And as you can see, it's actually a lot roomier than it might look from the outside. We have these 2 benches or bunks. The front seats actually fold down to give you a long bunk, and then because your crewmate might snore, we actually have these sound and light-proof curtains that fold out of the ceilings and out of the front and aft bulkhead. So you end up with your own private stateroom for sleeping and doing your personal hygiene. Everybody always wants to know where the toilet is. Here's our waste control system, we call it. And during the day, these 2 front curtains close to give you privacy, and at night, the sleep stations are deployed, so you have your own privacy with regard to the waste management system. As we go around to the front of the vehicle, you can see what a great view you have from inside. And these are our 2nd generation displays that have edge keys, because on the 1st generation we had touch screen, and when you're vibrating around the desert, you don't want to have a touch screen. So let's just go through this scenario that we want to pick up a rock here. So I can do the great observations from the inside, and when I want to go and do a spacewalk, I go over to the EVA page, I enable the suit ports, and then I select suit egress. And it's actually going through some leak checks because I don't want to open the door if it's leaking. And then I open the hatch, which you see back here. And then this is the backpack of the suit. So it has the life support for the suit. And I just open that up, and I can literally grab this chin-up bar and step into the suit. And then there's a display on the aft bulkhead that I can reach up with my arm to finish the procedures. And then once I'm in the suit, I close the hatch, and now I only have to depress that small space between the suit backpack and this interior bulkhead hatch. Then we release these clamps that hold the suit to the vehicle, and you walk off. And that whole process takes 10 minutes.